Alright, here we have one of the CHP gravity-fed wood pellet stove cartridges, replacing the combustor for an oil burner. It has a hopper that holds about a half a bag, 7 kilograms. The cartridge burner is down here with a nice slide-out ash drop. And the output just goes in to the bottom of the oil boiler with a small metal adapter. Incidentally, the original oil boiler will poke right into that adapter, so it's a quick change to go between wood pellet burning and oil. It is powered by 12 volts and only requires maybe 10 watts or so to run, mostly just for the exhaust fan. Pretty intense star burning off in there. Down here we have a low limit switch, which will turn off the exhaust fan when temperature gets down to about 60 C. And here we have a high limit switch on the water. When the water hits 77 C, the exhaust fan kicks off. We also have an audible alarm if the water were to reach 80 C to let us know to come and tend it.